My name is Mika Morgan. I'm Secwepemc and Nuu-chah-nulth, and I'm a founder of the Malawin Collective.
Well, my name is Kiva Morgan Hall. My mother is Mika Noel Morgan, and my father is Rob Hall.
Hi, my name is Rob Hall.
My name is Gio, aka The Voice.
Yeah, so let me get this straight. The drugs I hated were the ones I chased. Had to learn to embrace, learn to learn from mistakes. Understand you do what you take, do what you can. Live life, learning your plan and that.
I'm cleaning up the mess I've made. I'm reviewing all the scenes I've played. I'm taking baby steps before I take the lead.
As a musician, growing up in Ucluelet, I was raised with my grandparents. My grandfather was the chief of the Toquat band of the Nuu-chah-nulth Nation for 67 years. He was a hereditary chief, and so in our culture there we have potlatches, and there would be music and songs all night, and that's how I was, even as a baby, was put to sleep listening to all the drums.
Started actually playing the drums, and my dad bought me a drum kit for, I think it was my 7th or 8th birthday. And then I got into guitar a little bit, and then I got into rapping, and I sing too. So and my dad's just like kind of holds it all together with his rhythm and singing. And then there's my mom, which is just my mom, and she's awesome.
You know, if I was to, let people know something about what we do, we're pretty serious about what we sing about, and we work on a theme, right? Something that's okay, well, let's write about the homeless. Let's write about First Nations issues. Let's talk about something real. We don't like to write fluff.
Rob was facilitating workshops that we were doing because the students in there really enjoyed the music. So all of a sudden they decided, hey, let's just try to do music with these kids. And I started calling Rob the Freedom Facilitator because he is able to draw out the most beautiful creativity from these youth. They would spend a half an hour together, and then he would tell me, you gotta come in here and listen to this. And I couldn't believe that from someone who had their eyes down with maybe a hat on, no eye contact, to coming out and being so happy of what they made and wanting to show their friends and their family. That's a really beautiful thing. I would like to see the people that work with us go on to do their own projects and be successful in what they want to do, and to also mentor other people as well that are struggling and having a hard time, because that's what we've done, is we've utilized our collaborations and creativity as a way to heal ourselves, to heal one another, and that's what I'd like to see for the future of it.
My biggest goal as a musician, to change people, to change the way they think, to challenge what they think is normal. So what I'd like people to get from us is educated. So once you're educated, you can't be ignorant no more.
What I want people to know about my music is that it's for everyone, and I hope you spread it, appreciate it, and hopefully I'll meet you up someday and we'll make music together.
Takes a lot to lead the spot and show what you got. Takes a lot to climb from the bottom, reach for that top. It takes a lot, man. That's gonna reach for your thoughts, and I've been trying to reach over in your brain like